Hello, my name is Jenny Patricia Campos Vasquez. Today I'm going to talk about the critical incident in my pedagogical practice. This video is for the course Teacher Development. The context is the first step in the critical incident. The context is in the classroom of the second grade. In this classroom, there are 30 children. The problem or the incident is that in a class I was explaining the activity for the class and the pronunciation, the parts of the body, and the students were spoke and something that you receive and play it and run around the classroom and don't pay attention. And I started to ask, and the students don't pay attention for the activity. All spoke very loud, and the solutions or the response for these incidents in the next class, I think in the form or the way of pronunciation, of practice pronunciation and practice vocabulary or related activities in collaborative or in group, because when I related individual activities while a student participates, the other students were very noisy or spoke with the partner or played with the ball, while when I related activities for all class, all students focus in the activities, all students focus in the pronunciation of vocabulary. For example, I related an activity for practice the pronunciation, the parts of the body, and for example, I say, all stand up and toes the part of the body and say the pronunciation. All students focus in this moment, and head and shoulders, and all center in the activity, all pay attention, and all pronunciation. In my personal reflection, I think that my voice tone is low. In the next class, I low the tone voice. I speak more loud, because the students don't listen my don't listen my activities, or don't listen when I need or other aspect important is I learn more control about the class. Thank you. This is my experience.